At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and easily modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a meal kit delivery business can be an exciting venture in the ever-evolving food industry. With the growing demand for convenience and healthy eating, meal kits offer customers a convenient way to enjoy home-cooked meals without the hassle of grocery shopping and meal planning. However, like any business, success in the meal kit industry requires careful planning, execution, and differentiation. Here are the top 10 tips to help you kickstart your meal kit delivery business on the right foot. 1. Identify your niche. Determine your target market and specialize your meal kits accordingly. Whether it's vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, or gourmet options, catering to a specific niche can help you stand out in a crowded market. 2. Focus on quality ingredients. Source fresh, high-quality ingredients to ensure the taste and nutritional value of your meals. Partner with local farmers and suppliers to build relationships and maintain a consistent supply chain. 3. Streamline operations. Develop efficient processes for meal preparation, packaging, and delivery to minimize costs and maximize productivity. Invest in technology and automation where possible to streamline operations. 4. Emphasize convenience. Make the ordering and delivery process as seamless as possible for customers. Offer flexible subscription options, easy-to-use online platforms, and timely delivery services to enhance convenience. 5. Prioritize food safety. Implement strict food safety protocols to maintain the freshness and integrity of your meal kits. Train staff on proper handling and storage procedures, and regularly audit your facilities for compliance. 6. Create engaging recipes. Design diverse and creative recipes that appeal to your target audience. Consider seasonal ingredients, cultural influences, and dietary preferences to keep your menu fresh and exciting. 7. Build a strong brand identity. Invest in branding and marketing efforts to differentiate your meal kit delivery business from competitors. Develop a compelling brand story, logo, and packaging design that resonates with your target customers. 8. Offer customization options. Provide flexibility for customers to customize their meal selections based on preferences and dietary restrictions. Allow for ingredient substitutions or portion adjustments to accommodate varying needs. 9. Focus on customer experience. Prioritize excellent customer service to build loyalty and positive word of mouth. Address customer inquiries promptly, handle complaints professionally, and actively seek feedback to improve your offerings. 10. Adapt and innovate. Stay agile and responsive to market trends and customer preferences. Continuously innovate your menu, services, and technology to stay ahead of the competition and meet evolving consumer demands. Conclusion. Launching a successful meal kit delivery business requires a combination of culinary expertise, operational efficiency, and customer centricity. By following these top 10 tips and remaining adaptable to changes in the market, you can carve out a niche for your brand and delight customers with convenient, high-quality meal solutions. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached,